wish and pray that you all are fine. Okay, last time we did the ET words, et words. Which words? Et words. ET says et. Today we will do more two E family words. They are ENN and ED, ed.
So kids, today we are going to learn the EN words. EN says N. EN says N. So first letter is D. D says D. EN N. D N A den. DEN den. Den is a place where the lion stays. Lion's house is called as den. The next letter is H. H says H. EN N. HEN hen. HN hen. Hen is a farm animal and hen also gives us eggs. So HN hen. Next letter is M. M says M. EN N. MEN men. MEN men. Your daddy is a man, but when you invite your uncles at home, they become men. What do they become? Men. More than one man is called as men. Men men. Next letter is P. P says P. EN N. PN pen. PEN pen. Pen is used to write on the books. Teacher, when she corrects your books, she uses a pen. PN pen. The last letter is T. T says T. EN N. TN ten. TEN ten. Number 10. So let's revise. D den. H hen. M men. P pen. T ten. DEN den. HEN hen. MEN men. PEN pen. TEN ten. So the next set of words are ed words. Which words? Ed. 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 So the first letter over here is B. B says B. ED. Ed. B ed bed. B ed bed. Bed on which you go to sleep. That is called bed. BED bed. Next letter is F. F says F. ED ed. F ed fed. Fed means that you feed someone. Fed. F ed fed. FED fed. The last letter is R. R says R. ED ed. R ed red. Red is a color. Red is a red color. So let's revise the ED words. ED says ed. ED says ed. Say bed. F fed. R red. BED bed. FED fed. RED red. So let's revise the EN words and then let's revise the ed words. Come on, say D den. H hen. M men. P pen. T ten. B bed. F fed. R red. So today we learned the EN words, that is N words, and ED words, those are ed words. N words and ed words.
So now I want you all to play the game with me. And I think you all know which game teacher is talking about. Yes, you have to go to your bags, remove your books, red and blue line books, English book, take a pencil and an eraser and come back and sit in front of the screen. Till how many numbers teacher is going to count? Yes, the teacher is going to count till 10 numbers. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last number is 10. Okay, so I think everybody is back to their places. Now open your book to a new page and let's start writing. Okay. Okay, now I want you to write with teacher. So what is the first thing that we write on the book? Yes, we write the date. Come on, let's write the date. What is the date? 17. Write 1 7 dash 8 dash 20. After you write the date, in the same line, write C W, classwork. Yes, everybody has written the date and classwork? Okay, now let's write EN. Below classwork, write EN. EN says end. EN says end. Say EN. EN. Okay, so the first letter is the. First letter is the. D. Come on, write. The. D says the. D says the. EN. N. EN. Below EN you will write EN. EN. So what is the and a? Den. Very good. Right. The. And. Den. D-E-N. Den. Say da. D-E-N. The and a den. Okay. Now the next letter is H. H says, yes, H says her. H says her. E-N. N. E-N. So what is her and a? Yes, her and a hen. Her and a hen. Say H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Now let's write the next letter. That is M. And which letter says M? M. M says M. What does E-N say? Yes, E-N says end. And what is M and a? Men. M and a? Men. Say M says M. E-N-N. M and a men. Now which is the next letter? Yes. P. P says P. P says P. E-N-N. E-N-N. Come on, write. E-N-N. So what is P and a? Pen. P and a? Pen. Say P and a? Pen. Which is the next letter? Yes. T. T says T. T says T. E-N. N. E-N. So what is T and a? 10. T and a? 10. Number 10. Come on, let's revise. The and a den. H and a hen. M and a men. P and a pen. T and a ten. Say den. D-E-N den. Hen. H and a hen. H-E-N hen. Man. M-E-N men. Pen. P-E-N pen. Ten. T-E-N ten. So we finished with the E-N words. Which words? E-N words. Okay kids. So now after we finish writing the E-N words, below E-N write E-D. Write E-D. E-D says ed. E-D says ed. Now over here, which is the first letter? Yes, it's the B. B says B. B says B. E-D. Yes, ed, 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 ed. So what is bed? Yes, bed, 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 bed. Which is the next letter? Yes, fur. Fur is from red line to red line. Below ed, write ed, ed, ed. So what is fur, ed? Fur, ed, fed. Say fur, ed, fed. Now which is the last letter? Yes, it is R. Last letter is R. R says R. Parents, when you are teaching the letter R, you will write it like this. But you will not teach your child this R. This R is wrong. We don't teach this R, but we teach this R. So in case if you are teaching your child this R, stop teaching them this R and teach the correct formation that is done in the school. So this is the R, this is the R that you will follow, not this one. R says R, ed, ed. So what is R, ed? Red, R, ed, red. Come on, let's revise the ed words. Say ed, ed, bed, fed, red, bed, bed, fed, fed, red, red. So kids, today we have done two more E family words. They are N words, ENN and ED. Let's revise the EN and ED words. Say da 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 den, ha hen, mama men, papa pen, ta ten, ba bed, fed, red, den den, hen hen, men men, pen, ten, bed, fed fed and red. Now kids, on the next page you write the date. Come on, write the date again. 17-8-20. Now in the same line you write classwork. Write CW, classwork. Okay. Now what you have to do is we have to draw pictures for ENN and ED. So for that what you have to do is you have to draw a line. Let's draw a line. You will draw line only till 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and draw. Okay. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 lines and 5 lines. Like this. Only this many lines you have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stop. After you finish drawing the 5 lines, over here you write den. Come on, write D, E, N. Den. D-E-N. Den. Okay, before you write den, over here on top in CW line, write E-N. E-N, and over here next to CW write E-D. E-D, ed. Write E-N-N in CW line, write, and again write E-D, ed. Okay, now let's write den. Come on, write den. Den. Now over here we will draw the picture of a den. Come on, draw the picture of a den. Who stays in the den? Yes, the lion. Come on. Draw a lion inside. Lion is the king of the jungle. Yes. Den. Now after den, you write the word hen. Come on, write H-E hen. Hen, write H-E-N, hen. Now let's draw the picture of the hen. You have to write number 2, down, tail, legs, eyes, beak, hen. Hen. Now after hen, we will write men. Come on, write men. Come on. Men. Come on, draw 2 circles. Draw the eyes, mustache, mouth, hair and 2 ears. Again, same over here in the other circle. Hair, ears, eyes, nose, mustache and a mouth. Men. Men. After men, we will write the word pen. Come on, write. Pen. Pen. Come on, let's draw the picture of a pen. And I know that you know the picture of a pen. Yes. Pen. Pen. And the last word is ten. T-E-N. Ten. And write number 10. So for EN, we have drawn den, hen, men, pen and 10. Now say we will draw for ED words. ED says ed. ED says ed. Come on, let's draw. The first word is bed. Bed. Come on, draw the bed. Draw a slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. Bed and a small pillow. Bed. Bed. Okay, the last word is red. Right, red. Standing line, go up, stop, slanting line and a U. Then you join E and write the. Red. For red you will draw a square and color the square with a red color. Teacher's pen is not working, but you have to color the square red. Color the square red. Come on. For ED words, we have drawn bed, red. Now over here down, after the word 10, write, see the picture and write 3 sentences. Come on, write. Write S E E C T H E. See the picture. P I C T U R E. See the picture and write A N D and write W R I T E and write 3 sentences. S E N T E N C E S. Come on, write this. See the picture and write 3 sentences. Come on, write. Teacher is counting till number 10. You have to finish writing this. See the picture and write 3 sentences. Come on, write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. I hope every one of you all have finished writing. Now let's draw the picture. You have to draw a den. You have to draw a den. Come on, draw a big den like this. Okay, draw the den. But this time in the den, lion is not sitting. Lion is not sleeping in the den. This time in the den, hen is sleeping. Who is sleeping? Hen. Come on, draw a hen. Yes, this time in the den, there is hen. There is no lion, but there is hen in the den. Where is the hen? Yes, the hen is in the den. Hen is in the den. Come on, let's write the sentences. Write number 1 over here. Outside the margin, write number 1, dot. 2, dot. 3, dot. That means you come to know that you have to write 3 sentences. Come on, let's write the first sentence. The first sentence is, it is a den. You see a den. What do you see? Den. Come on, write. I-T. It. Is. I-S. Is. It is a den. D-E-N. Den. What do you see first? Yes, we see the den. So you write it is a den. If you don't want to write it is a den, you can write I see a den, because we have already learned the word see here. That means you're seeing. So you can write it is a den, or you can write I see a den. Second sentence, you can write I see a hen. Come on, write. I see S-E-E. I see a hen. H-E-N. See matlab dekhna. What do you see? You see a hen. Where is the hen? Hen is in the den. So we see a den and we see a hen. So the last sentence we can write. Third sentence. Come on, write. The T-H-E. The hen. H-E-N. The hen is, where is the hen? Yes, the hen is in the den. Come on, write. The hen is in the den. Full stop. After every sentence, you will put a full stop. So what are the 3 sentences? First, whenever you write sentence, you have to see the pictures. When you see the pictures, then only you can form the sentences. So what teacher did? First teacher drew the picture of a den and a hen. So first sentence the teacher wrote is, it is a den. It is a den. The second sentence what teacher wrote? Teacher can also see a hen. So teacher has written, I see a hen. I see a hen. And which is the last sentence? Where is the hen? You have to always see which picture, where it is. That is more important. So we see the hen. It is in the den. So that is what teacher has written. The hen is in the den. So teacher got 3 sentences on den and hen. This is the way you will do your sentences. Now kids, after you finish writing, you will again revise the EN and ED words. Okay kids? So for now, bye and happy learning.